pharmacies are in charge of vaccinating residents and workers at Utah's long-term care facilities, but they say they have more than enough. So this move is being made to make sure that none of this precious vaccine goes to waste. This statement Tuesday announced Walgreens and CVS have agreed to transfer 28,275 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine to the Utah Department of Health. In an interview with CNN last week, Governor Spencer Cox alluded to the fact that those pharmacies had more vaccine than needed to provide shots to those living and working in long-term care facilities.
That Walgreens and CVS partnership with the federal government, that's where all the backlog is in virtually every state right now.
According to UW, the pharmacies will keep more than 23,000 doses they already have to complete their obligations to long-term care facilities. But 8,775 doses shipped this week, plus 19,500 doses just ordered and set to arrive next week, will instead go to the state health department.
We're taking that back and we're giving it to our local health departments.
Last week, we were invited inside a senior living facility where there was no shortage of supply and shots were available to all residents and staff. In a statement, CVS offered this reason for the excess, saying the federal vaccine allotment is based on facility bed counts, and that number is then doubled for facility staffing. It adds, quote, true occupancy is less than bed count, and staff uptake has been less than expected. CVS applauded the governor's decision, saying it will, quote, ensure these valuable doses will be put to the best use. The Utah Department of Health declined our request for an interview, saying they have nothing more to add beyond what was in their statement. Meanwhile, Walgreens also sent us a statement. We have that plus more from CVS on our website. In Salt Lake City, John Franke, Fox 13 News, Utah.
The Utah Department of Corrections says almost all of its inmates at the state prison who are 70 and older have started receiving their COVID-19 vaccines. 79 inmates agreed to get the vaccine last week. Correctional officials there say inmates continually ask questions about the virus as well as the risks. Well, if